Section 3.1, homework problem number 3. So the problem that we're given is function f of x equals negative 2x squared. So they asked for the difference quotient as well as the limit that h approaches to 0. So we can basically find both of this at the same time. So we're going to do limit as h approaches to 0, and we're going to use a difference quotient formula, and we plug it in, get negative 2 times x plus h is squared minus negative 2x squared, put a parentheses around it, and this is all over h. And then gonna jump straight to the conclusion to minimize any sort of like algebra work, which is going to get us limit h approaches to 0, negative 4x minus 2h. Now this negative 4x minus 2h, this is actually going to be our difference quotient answer. So now we move forward and find the limit. Now we can plug in h equals to 0 without having the function being undefined. So negative 4x minus 2 and h equal to 0, we'll just get negative 4x. And this negative 4x is our limit. Is our limit. And now they ask us to find f prime negative 2, f prime 0, f prime 1. So this is just basically plugging it to our limit, which is negative 4 times negative 2. This gives us 8. Negative 4 times 0 equals 0. Negative 4 times 1 equals 0. And now we're going to graph this. This graph isn't going to be like drawn completely to scale. So our base graph is going to look something around this. And that's our original function. So this one is our f of x equals negative 2 times x squared. So f prime -2. So when x equals -2, let me draw this a little bit better. So when x equals, like, let's say like -2, it's like here, and then we have this point here on our function, and we draw a tangent line, and for this tangent line, our slope is going to be 8. And then next, f of 1, 0. So when x equals to 0, we have a tangent line. It's going to basically overlap the x-axis. So this straight line, the slope is 0, as we can see here. And then finally, f prime 1. So when x equals 1, like let's say like here, on this area of the function, we draw our tangent line yet again, about like this. Oh, I made a mistake. -4 times 1 is -4. So for the tangent line, when x equals 1, our slope of this tangent line is going to be -4. And yeah, that's it.